am Ruben. Welcome to Academy of Kids Art, Easy and Simply. Today, now I am going to explain how to draw trees, different type of trees. This simply, you can watch that one. Straight line is a straight tree. If you want, you can change curve, whatever. When you start line with, finally will come nicely. Beauty. Other one. The root side I will draw that one. Why we can't draw like this tree? Can no? Yeah. I can't draw. It's a branch going behind. Can. Try. You can draw. Big tree. Big one. Can. Okay. Now I'm going to add root. Root very simple. Many people I didn't see they are doing this drawing this root. Why? They are hiding. Why? How to finish root with? Now I will teach that one. Okay, look here. If you want, you can add here 3, 4, whatever, 4, 5. Something you can't see the root. Why? Sand inside only that root have. Okay, in sand area you can't see that one. Okay, now next one, many root. If you want, you can add here many nicely. Other one here branches, root branches here. See, it's going everywhere. Some trees have this one. Okay, yeah. Next one, this big one. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tree here. Some trees have like this shape. Yeah, sometimes come here. The shape. Some like this also going. Yeah, okay. 7, 8, 9. Now 9, 10. Now how to draw the root? Already you know how to draw that one. I will finish now root with. See. If you like, you can draw your own ideas with the root. Okay. Same time trees also. Okay. Yeah. This I think this coconut tree, but haven't branch here. Limit is to three trees. Okay. If you want up branch, you add here U letter. U correct mark. Yeah. See. This after you can add leave something. Same technique with here. Two branches going. Here you want to add here more. You can add more. Just a big tree. Going big. See nicely, okay. Many different type of trees. We can make many things. We can make many trees. Okay, now you identify, you now you know how to draw this different kind of trees. Now you can very well know. Yeah, this after this up only will come to the leaves. Okay, how to draw that leaves? Just right. Yeah, I'm going to add here. Just you can slowly you can previous you can add. Nicely okay. This line carefully. Sometimes when you draw this leaf like this, right, will come shape cloud shape will come. That's why tiny line with tiny size like this will come nice. Okay, straight tree. Okay. Same thing here. So many leaves you can add. Okay. This one, coconut tree. Coconut tree leaf like this. You know how to draw that leaf. I will teach one day, not now. Today, no. Okay. Just example. Here, just you can add here lines. Many lines. Obviously. Oh, this also can do like this. This kind of can do nicely. But many leaf with came this big leaf. Okay. This is a little big, little difficult. You can try this one easy, no? Very tiny, nice, very long. Like this. This is a coconut tree and leaf. Maximum coconut tree have 25-30 leaves. This kind of leaf. That much. How many now here came? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. More have many. Okay, just example only. See nicely. This one different one. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Thank you now. I will meet next subject time. Okay, bye. Bye.